congratulations on this win. A big win that sends Creamline through the qualifying round. Anong masasabi mo sa pinakita ng team, especially Deacon din talaga yung laban against Signal?
I'm very, very happy for everybody, and everybody actually stepped up today and made sure na ginagawa din talaga yung trabaho. Coming from our loss then from Farm Fresh, isa lang naman yung sinabi din at piniremind sa amin. Andito na kami, we really have to work with what we have. And perfect, yung term namin ngayon is perfect effort. So wala namang perfect talaga, but yung effort pwede namin ma-perfect. So yun yung nangyari today, kaya lumabas din yung teamwork ng team.
Thank you. Adij, triple-double performance in this match, 19 points. 12 excellent digs and 17 excellent receptions. Grabe yung pag-stand up mo for Creamline dahil nga wala sila Gemma and si Pon. Siguro paano mo lang din ba motivate yung sarili mo in this game against Signal?
Siyempre sa tulong din ng mga ate and sila Gemma and Pon. Nagre-remind din sila sa akin. Especially kasi hindi ko pagamay yung...
Di pa siya gamay
Kasi dami kong position na yun. Kaya yun talaga, ina-embrace ko lang yung kung ano yung binibigay sa akin na role.
Alaysa yung sobrang dikit ng laban eh. Yung marami rin pinagdadaanan yung team. Sa'yo siguro personally lalo na nung dulo, ano na lang yung tumatakbo sa isip mo para i-continue pa rin i-lead yung Creamline?
Alam mo, during the latter part of the game, parang more of ang nasa isip ko, honestly, would be, andito na kami. Sorry na. Excuse me. Ilalaban na namin. Kung saan kami abutin, doon magpapasalamat kami kung saan kami abutin kay Lord. So, iba rin talaga yung binibigay ni Lord pag binibigay mo lahat at binibigay mo yung effort mo at ilalaban mo lahat. So, yun lang. Honestly, yun lang sa isip ko. Hindi ko na nga maalala yung score eh. Kaya kanina tinanong ko din kung ano yung last point kasi parang tapos na pala lahat. Kasi pag nandun ka talaga, wala ka na ibang iisipin kundi tapusin ng mas maganda.
Beach, yung performance mo din ngayon, obviously filling in din for Pons and Gemma. Parang you've sat sa bench for previous conferences, pero now that they're getting your moment, parang after the UC games, how are you taking in everything na kung yung progression din ng career mo?
Thankful lang din ako na pinagkatiwalaan ako ng coaches to fill in sa kung ano yung kulang sa team. Kasi malaking kawalan talaga yung dalawa eh, to be honest. Kaya double, triple talaga yung trabaho ko sa training pa lang.
And for Ate Lai, this conference, and Gemma and Pons taking the start. Pero for you, parang everyone still sees you as, kumbaga up there. Yung performance na ito, was it a way for you din to remind people ba na you're still here, you're not going anywhere with those vintage performances?
I think,
Hanggang
I think every game, it's more of a reminder for myself then and for the team na we're still here. And I don't think parang if there's something na to motivate myself, ang hirap din to actually just think of other people, di ba? So ngayon parang ako iniisip ko talaga, it's a reminder na kaya pa, and I'll just do my part in practice, and pag kailangan, tutulong tayo. So ganun lang. It's not more of trying to prove anything, but siguro trying to stick together and making sure sa sarili ko and sa team na magkakasama kami.
Yung Signal again sa qualifying.
So kami pala ulit.
Ayun, nakita niyo na rin yung gano'ng katingin kanina. Siguro next game, ano yung paghahanda. Yung lalo na yung semifinals, yung nakalaan para doon.
Napakadami pang kailangan namin bantayan sa Signal. Ang dami pa rin namin naging lapses this game. I think most especially the maturity of the team towards the latter part of that fourth set kasi it was like a huge lead na rin for us, but syempre kinapos din kami. But yun, ang galing din na naka-recover agad during that fifth set. So ang dami naming aayusin, ang dami naming paghahandaan para sa Signal din. And as a team, baka para sa amin naman, tatanggapin muna namin yung panalo today para sana magbigay din ng confidence going to the next game.
Yes.
Sa'yo, Dibs, yun nga, same question.
Sorry,
big
di sinabi
game,
ko sinabi.
bigger role din para sa'yo, syempre.
Oo.
Eh, paano mo lang i-embrace to? Lalo na, nasa crucial part na tayo ng tournament.
Ako talaga, to be honest, ginawa ko lang talaga yung part ko sa game na yun kanina. And, yun nga, yung sabi na ni Coach, kasi hindi talaga pinilit ni Coach na maglaro yung dalawa kasi nga hindi pa sila 100% okay. So, hopefully, next game, makakompleto kami. And, sasabak ulit.
Lalaban ulit, yes.
Eliza, yun ang daming uncertainties, syempre with Pons and si Gemma.
And Gia.
And ito pa nga, yung nangyari kay Gia. Ano lang yung gusto mong mindset na dalhin ng team heading into the qualifying round?
Yeah, ang daming nangyayari sa team, but I think one of the things that we focus on right now is we know everything happens for a reason. Cliche man, paulit-ulit man natin narinig. We just stick to the plan, we just prepare as a team pa rin. Kahit nasa gilid sila, grabe pa rin yung inspirasyon na binibigay nila sa amin. So we stick together, we go to this battle together. Pero kasi at the end of the day, kahit hindi sila nasa loob, nasa isang team pa rin kami. So magkakasama pa rin kami. So wala, lalaban kami. Lalaban ko hanggang sa nabo. Thank you guys!
Thank you.
Good night everybody!
Good night po.